Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial, we will look into the plant modeling aspect and how to create a plant model from a mathematical equation or from a real system. So in this one, first we will see what is a plant model and how to do it. Then we will see what are the constraints of designing a plant model, how different plant models can be designed using these mathematics, and what are the two different approaches through which we can make the plant model. And in this series also we will take some examples like a mass damper system or a electrical system or a mechanical system. So all these things we will try to create a plant model, and we will see the response based on the inputs. Then we will see how to interact or create connection between MATLAB and Simulink for variation of parameters maybe, and for other things like how to simulate the model using MATLAB, and how to communicate between MATLAB and Simulink to get some data or give some data. Next, using the MATLAB APIs for Simulink, what we will be doing, we will be creating automatic models from MATLAB commands, which are mostly Simulink APIs, and using these APIs, the models will be created by using MATLAB automatically. So once we have all these done, what we will be doing at the end, we will be passing the parameters, and different variations of parameters we will try on the models that we will be creating. And based on these parameters, like suppose for a mass damper system, I can change my mass or my spring constant or my damping constant. So for an electrical circuit, I can change my resistance or my capacitance or the inductance of the circuit or the voltage of the circuit. So all these things we can change automatically, and we can try different parameters. So based on that, how the system is behaving, that we can also analyze, and we can also collect the data from Simulink as these are running the models, and that communication and variation we can analyze later on. So we will see that thing in this automatic parameter manipulation and simulation of the model, Simulink models. In the next chapter, we will see introduction to variant subsystem. So a variant subsystem could be a subsystem which changes its behavior based on different time instant. Could be rocket launching system which has different stages, and at different stages it will have different mass, and based on different mass it will change the thrust to manage a constant velocity or constant acceleration. Based on that, we can create a variant subsystem which will act like a real system. So this chapter is about that. So based on whatever we understood, based on that we will create the tools. Like we can create separate tools which will use these models internally and run the model and change the variation in parameter, or variation in parameter can be introduced by using these tools, and we can simulate the model and get different outputs. So we can create a tool which will help other users to do the same without knowing what is going inside the program. So in this chapter we will create different tools, and we will also see how to get graphs and outputs and a good visualization. At the end we will summarize everything, and we will take a use case on how to use these tools at a time and create a good project. And based on your feedback and comments, whatever you want to learn in this particular series or related to plant modeling aspect, please drop a comment so that we can add additional content based on your feedback, and this will help you to learn more details about the concepts, how to create the plant model. So this is all about this particular tutorial. So happy learning MATLAB, and keep subscribed in case you are liking our channel. Just stay updated to the channel for latest upcoming videos.